Today I am going to show you how we can transfer files from one device to another using gestures derived from real life. The gesture that we have used in our app is the pour gesture for transferring liquid from one container to another. This is our Android phone, Android 4.0, and this is the app in our app drawer. To enable this transfer, the Bluetooth on the receiver device should also be switched on and visible to all. Here I have with me two Nokia devices, both of them not Android, since this app does not need to be on the receiver device. So first of all, I am going to switch on the Bluetooth on one of the receivers. As you can see, now I have switched on the Bluetooth on the Nokia receiver and the visibility is shown to all. Now all I have to do is tap on the app in my app drawer in the Android device. On tapping on the Android device, the file icon On tapping on the app icon, I get a prompt to turn on my Bluetooth. Selecting no will close this application. Selecting yes will now turn on the Bluetooth. As you can see, the Bluetooth has now been enabled. This is a file explorer in which we see all the files and folders in our SD card. On selecting one of the folders, the contents of that folder are shown along with the root directory, which is the first row, and the parent directory, which is the second row. This is the list of the files that are in the image folder. On selecting one of these files, I get an image of that file and the path of that file. This is where we have to use a pause gesture over the receiver device in order to initiate file transfer. Here I am using the pause gesture in which I am tilting the phone so that the liquid will metaphorically fall on the receiver device. This is the transfer request from the Sony Xperia phone to the Nokia phone. On selecting yes, file transfer has been enabled. Now as you can see, the file has been sent, and this is the sent notification in the notification bar. The file transfer works on the system of Bluetooth signals. The file is sent to the strongest Bluetooth signal device. I have with me two devices, receiver devices, and now I am going to switch on the Bluetooth of both the devices to see which one of the devices receives the file. Here I have with me two devices. One of them I have already shown how the file transfer can be done. The second one is also a Nokia device. Now I am going to switch on the Bluetooth in this device. Here I have switched on the Bluetooth and the visibility is also on. Now I shall begin file transfer in my Android phone. Now I am going to go to my file transfer app in my Android phone, select a file from the image folder, let that file be skyline.jpg, and now I'll pour this file over this phone. Since this phone is nearest to our sender, this is the only phone that will get the file transfer request. As you can see, a request has been received. On accepting that request, the file transfer gets initiated, and as you can see, the file has been sent, as can be seen in the notification bar. The file was sent to this Nokia phone and not the earlier one because of the Bluetooth signal. Had if had the earlier phone's Bluetooth signal been stronger, the file would have been sent to that phone only. Now, if we keep the phone in the middle, that is on equal distances, the file will go to the strongest Bluetooth signal. Now I'll try to forward the files in the middle of both the phones where both the receiver devices are equidistant from the sender. And now we'll see which phone receives the request for file transfer. First of all, let me verify that both the phones have the Bluetooth switch on or not. Yes, the Bluetooth here is switched on and shown to all. Now I'm going to check on the other receiver device. The Bluetooth here is visible and switched on. Now I'm going to go to my app in my Android phone and select a new file to be sent, and my phone shall be equidistant to both the receiver devices. I am now going to select southernfield.jpg. I'm doing the forward gesture. The file transfer has been initiated and the file transfer request has been received by a Nokia phone on the right, which means that this Nokia phone has a stronger signal compared to the other one. By accepting the request, the file transfer begins. File transfer has started and now its file has been received. So this is how we use our app to transfer files on the basis of Bluetooth signal strength and the forward gesture. Thank you.